Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashrita. I am the consultant pediatric hepatology and liver transplant in Aster CMI Hospital, and I belong to the Department of Integrated Liver Care as well as Department of Pediatrics. So in today's video, I'll be educating all of you regarding the common symptoms and signs of any liver disease in the pediatric population. So to begin with, I will talk about the symptoms we will be seeing in pediatric liver diseases, and the first and the most important thing will be jaundice. As all of us are aware, jaundice is yellowness of the skin, eyes as well as urine and other mucosal parts. So if this symptom appears at any time after the neonatal age group or the newborn period, it is definitely significant and requires a lot of investigations to rule out the underlying liver disease. Even in the newborn period, after 14 days of life, if the jaundice is persisting or increasing, it again becomes a significant complaint. And before 14 days of life, if the jaundice is associated with diaper staining, that is yellowness of urine, or pale colored stools, that is either white stools or pale yellow stools, then again it becomes a very important symptom and it is not physiological. That is, common people are aware that in newborn period there can be some jaundice which is usually resolved with phototherapy, but if any of these alarming symptoms which I've mentioned about is present, it is a pathological jaundice. It probably involves the liver of the child and it requires immediate attention for early diagnosis and treatment. So apart from jaundice, as I've educated now in this video, the other signs and symptoms of the underlying liver disease in a pediatric age group includes blood in vomitus or blood in stools. This is very alarming. It can definitely indicate that there is some underlying liver disease and it needs immediate help. But apart from this, you can have an enlargement of abdomen, what we call abdominal distension. So this can happen either because of fluid accumulating in the tummy because of the liver condition, or it can be because of an enlarged liver or enlarged spleen. So all these things also require immediate attention. So apart from this, there are other signs which can indicate that there is an underlying liver disease. That is mainly altered mentation or altered sensorium. So your child is well and suddenly becomes lethargic, or becomes drowsy, or starts showing abnormal behaviors. So all these things. Apart from this, the child can also have itching all over the body, especially involving the palms and soles. If this can be associated with jaundice, it's easier to identify it as a sign of liver disease. In case the itching is present without jaundice, but it does not have any skin rashes or any other pigmentation, then it again suggests that it can be a sign of liver disease. So if you consult a pediatric hepatologist, probably they will be able to help you. So as I've educated all of you in this particular video regarding the signs and symptoms of liver disease, if in case you find these signs and symptoms in your family members or among your neighbors or friends, please feel free to contact us at Aster CMI Hospital in the Department of Integrated Liver Care or Department of Pediatrics. Thank you so much.